You can see we got the first part done earlier. We got some trees cleared out. We just had to widen that road a little bit. It wasn't nearly as bad as I thought once we got down through there. I maybe had to take out about 10 trees. There might be 1 or 2 I might have to go back and get. But as you can see here behind me, this little berm has been the bane of our existence. So this road, 0.1 miles, goes straight up to our camp. We tried to come down it, or we did come down it last time we were here, and we got stuck right here on this mound. Insert picture here. So the other alternative, the way we've been going, is this way right here. Another long road. I'd have to clear more trees. It's about 0.3 miles. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but when you start talking about gravel and all that stuff as we start to develop this, then that becomes a big deal. So we want to kind of just leave this as a four-wheeler trail, and we want to turn that into our main road going up to the cabin. So got the excavator right behind you. I'm going to take some vengeance on this berm because we were hung up pretty good. Like I said, we'll throw some pictures in there for you to see, and then we'll work our way up this trail, widen it a little, and take out some more trees. So as you can see here, I'm just finishing up knocking out the edge of this berm. We got it pretty flat. This little mini excavator is something else. So just kind of flattening out some more here, taking out some on the edge. At this point, I think I've been on the excavator about 3 hours, and I'm feeling pretty comfortable with the controls, working the thumb, working the arm and the bucket at the same time, kind of getting into using my feet with the for the drive controls, so not too bad. Like I said, my first time ever on an excavator for more than 5 minutes, so we're making it. So just finishing this up. We appreciate y'all being along with us for the ride. This is going to be part 3 of the series. From here, we're going to head up the road straight in front of us, actually where the camera's sitting. We're going to widen that, knock down some trees. It gets interesting later because when we bring the truck and the trailer up, it doesn't go quite as planned. So you'll have to stay tuned, check out the next video, and see what happens to us there. So, sorry there's not a real good exit video. I didn't plan on breaking this down so much. We didn't figure that out till we started editing. So, thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for checking out our little series here on Newbies on the Excavator. Hopefully you liked, enjoyed it. Hit the like button down at the bottom. Of course, hit the subscribe button. Share it with your friends. Hit the little bell icon so you know once we start putting out regular content, you'll know when we post it. So, again, thanks for hanging out with us. We hope you're enjoying this little series. There's a couple more to come. We're still in the editing process. So, stay tuned, and we'll see what happens. As always, be safe.